Patriotism takes the spotlight tonight in our month-long series Made in KC.
KMBC 9's Haley Harrison visits a local factory helping our troops and veterans in little ways that make a big difference.
Making pill bottles for American veterans is a sensory experience.
The hot plastic gets squirted into there.
A chemical smell so thick you can nearly taste it. But as hands touch each bottle, you'll hear progress being made. In fact, the only sense workers here at Alphapointe don't use is sight.
Some of this could be automated, but it defeats our mission.
80% of the nonprofit's employees are visually impaired or blind. Chris Montavon in quality control inspects bottles to be sure they're top quality for our armed forces. Alphapointe makes 40 million pill bottles a year for the Veterans Administration, 15 million urinalysis bottles for the Department of Defense. In the lab, he tests samples under extreme heat, cold, and pressure, all while suffering from a visual condition he compares to seeing the world through a straw.
I use adaptive technology. I have my headlight to help me see the bottles.
We place it here on the table. Just throw that in there.
Alphapointe also makes office supplies for the government. Because of who receives these packages, there's a real pride in the work they do.
I mean, all of this stuff goes to our troops.
Before working here,
let me open one of these up real quick.
Macular dystrophy didn't stop Cody Steinfeld from going through Marine Corps basic training.
I was medically discharged prior to becoming a Marine, so it's very dear to my heart to send it to my troops and to make sure that they get quality product.
But hard times have fallen on Alphapointe because of those government contracts. The federal sequester has some on furlough. Office supply production is down 50%.
A lot of these people, depend on this job for their livelihood, their income, and their families and their homes, and they're like everyone else. They have expenses and mortgages to take care of.
But in places, production is still rolling. And when Uncle Sam lets them work, these employees know while they can't see the products, they feel they're still doing good. In Kansas City, Haley Harrison, KMBC 9 News.
Alphapointe is finding work in other parts of the company for some of those on furlough. 80% of their business is government contracts, but anyone can buy office supplies from them directly through their website. And we've linked that for you on our website, KMBC.com.